Show mine. I'm playing lightning aggro.
Blue tempo.
Go ahead.
Miss Cloak Herald.
1/1 unblockable.
Alright. Let's play this. Tap and attack.
Fanatical Firebrand. 1/1 haste.
Yep. And your turn.
Yep. Sign Storm Tamer. 1/1 flying. Pay below tap. Counter spell that targets you or creature you control.
Okay.
Going for 1.
Taking it. My turn?
Yep.
Alright. Oof, this is gonna hurt. I'm sorry. What am I doing here? I thought I had. Another one. I'm just gonna play that one anyways. I'm gonna tap 2. Play that. Play that. I'm gonna attack with this one. Actually, no, I'm gonna sacrifice this one to deal that 1 damage, and then I'm gonna attack you for 1.
Okay. Does. Attack hits.
Okay, I'm done.
It was a very aggressive play.
I'm coming for the throat.
I'm just gonna have to go up. 3. Tempest Gen.
Okay.
Tempest Gen has power
4.
equal to the number of islands you control.
And might as well swing in for 1.
Taking it. My turn?
Yep.
Play that. Play this chain whirler.
Draw.
What's that?
You didn't draw.
Oh, I didn't drop. Jeez. Didn't need to. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tap that, play a chain whirler. I'm going to attack for 2, deal that 1 damage, right? And you?
Yeah.
Nice. That's a good card. I like that. And then I'm going to say go.
Yeah, that's 2 more. Alright.
It's a 0/4 flying.
+1/+0 for each island you control.
Oh, that's kind of cool. So it's a 3/4.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. I haven't seen that one before. I suppose that's kind of like the Goblin Chain Whirler, huh? It's 3 blue and this one's 3 red.
Okay.
I didn't notice that before.
There we go. There we go. Throw a Curious Obsession on the Gen.
Okay.
Give him +1/+1.
Okay.
Draw a card if he hits. And swing in for 5.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
And draw a card for that. And then I'll chart a course. Draw 2 more cards.
Okay.
Alright. Go ahead.
Alright, I'm gonna untap. Dupe. Make sure I draw my card this turn. Play a mountain. Should put my lands a little neater. Huh? I can kinda see it. I'm gonna go all out attack.
Okay, let me see. No instants in there yet. So 1, 2, 5. Down to 10.
Then I'm gonna tap. And Wizard's Lightning. It costs 2 less because I control a wizard. And deal you 3 damage.
Oh, super aggressive.
And then I'm gonna say go.
Draw.
What is that, Jin? Now
Jen
6-5.
is, 6. Yep, 6-5.
Jeez. Things getting bigger. I gotta kill you before it kills me. Ooh.
Storm Terror.
Okay.
And we'll swing the Jen in for 6.
Taking 6.
Draw that card.
6. Down to 7. Ooh, 7-7. Nice.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright. Gotta be some form of counter spell in your hand, I would imagine. I'm going to tap 2 and play that thing. Empowerment enters the battlefield that deals 2 damage to target player or planeswalker. I'm gonna deal you 2 damage. And then I'm gonna all out attack.
Let me see. 1 instant there. Gotta stop the Chain Whirler. Block with Siren Storm Tamer. Dive him down.
Ooh.
So what does that do?
Gives +0/+3. Then Hexproof until end of turn.
But he still deals 3 damage though, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
And first strike.
yeah, but it's 1/4.
It'll live through.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. I understand. I thought you were dealing this thing 3 damage too.
Not just saving.
Alright, cool.
Just saving the blocker.
Alright, cool.
Taking 2.
2 damage, yeah. I'm gonna die this turn. Well, nah, it's flying, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna die. Those are both flying. That was my last time. That was my last chance. I needed one more good thing in my hand. And I didn't get it.
Draw. Well, shit.
Dead now, yeah.
Well, just in case.
Yeah. Swinging in for what?
Swing in, that's 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wah, wah, wah. All I had